with the RF gun. You know, we'll continue picking more tickets from over there. And then Austin and myself will start packing them. And what we do is we go by the ticket. We verify that everything in the ticket is what we're packing. We do need the IF number. So once it gets to this point, we verified it, we box it up, put it on the scale. We'll go over to next week and we'll get the IF number. And then once it's all packed up on the scale, we just have options of which one we'll ship. How we go to would be priority. So we always want the one that makes the most sense to ship it with. And that's kind of it. They'll print up a label, which looks like this right here. So this will be this one for, this is a priority. If it's FedEx, they'll go on that pallet right there.
My pick list, my pick ticket. I mean, in terms of how the WMS works itself, this is what I get to see on my end. It's basically a basic list. It prioritizes the fulfillment. It starts from A going all the way to, I think it stands at M, maybe a little bit further along than that. It gives me all the details I need, all pertinent details. I'll click on a line item, the first one, the priority for the pick. It'll dictate exactly what I need. I'll find my barcode. I'll scan my code. It'll generate exactly what the SKU is for me and what I should be looking for. I will take one of the items there, scan that. That'll process. If it doesn't process in the event, I grab the wrong book. The way the WMS works now is if I scan the wrong item, it'll give me an error notification. I can't pick the wrong item. Which is really awesome, or at least it helps to cut down on that. I then get back into my item. It'll dictate exactly how many pieces I need, so 28 in this case. And I'll usually do my counts. I have a higher quantity of books that I'm picking here now. It's 28. We do intervals of 5. That's for making it easy for the shippers. When I have my bundle of 25, I double band it. And that kind of lets the person know that's a bundle of 25. And then I place it in terms of data entry. The cool thing about this is that if I only counted 20 and I place in 20, it'll tell me I have 8 remaining. That pick list task will still be on my list. Cool. It'll still populate. It'll still say, hey, it looks like you picked short. You need 8 more. It'll keep me on that item. And it's a pretty good, in terms of coherency for us. It's a good way of kind of being vetted as we go along. And that's pretty much it. Yeah.
Kindergarten. You know it's kindergarten because it's got the adorable bear on top. These are all set up the same way. That's what I wanted to tell you. So that if I had to jump in and take over, Tiffany's working on this one currently, but for whatever reason, if she couldn't continue, I can just pick up where she left off. So this is our build order.
Yep.
And she's made it about halfway through. She's on this title, Camouflage. Next title that will come on top of that is Switzerland. It's another one of the nonfiction classic titles.
Can you explain to us, where did all those books come from? Did Tiffany have to go get all those books? She took down the list and went and got all those books?
There's the work order that explains exactly how much of each book she's going to get from that area behind you.
So
she's going to go get those books?
Tiffany is not. No, James or Edna stock this side.
Yeah.
And then on that side, Bernie and Michelle.
So Bernie and Michelle take care of the pick area.
That's right.
Yep.
and James and Edna take care of the fulfillment. And so
The building.
they're picking up these work orders very similarly to the pick tickets that
Yep.
the pickers
Right.
are picking
Yep.
up. They're taking the work order
Yeah.
and they're saying, oh, Matt's going to need to build.
Yeah,
So-
I
Why is
actually
it
never
different?
thought of it that way, but
They're
that's
giant
a
pick
that's
tickets.
yeah, it's a giant pick ticket.
Yeah.
Bill just absolutely specifies that.
Okay, so this one here,
And
So it can't ever
count
be-
your blessings.
it can't
So
ever-
when I look and
can't ever
if
be
I
lost.
see that count your blessings isn't in here, I know
And
that
it's
it's not
the
done.
last title.
Got it. So I look at this and I say, okay, this one's not done. That's why it hasn't been tapped up on its side like that.